in the hush of winter snow. As the monks walk on day 93, their journey for peace unfolds with every step. Through snow-covered roads, they carry a message of compassion and unity. As they walk, more and more Americans, including those facing physical challenges, join them. Tears mingle with smiles as these individuals are blessed with symbolic bracelets, each one a token of hope and a reminder of shared humanity. In these sacred moments, the monks' universal prayer rises, blending with the wind and the hearts of all who gather. They create a ripple of peace, a testament to resilience and compassion. And now, as we stand together, let us continue their prayer, letting our hearts and voices join in the timeless quest for harmony.
Namo Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅgho Saṅgham Namāmi. Bhagavato Arahato Sammā Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sammā Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sammā Sambuddhassa. Saranam Gacchāmi Sanghaṃ Saranam Gacchāmi.
We rise long before the morning light, with the snow asleep upon the road. Bare feet touch the silent earth. The truth is the only load. Namo Buddhaya. Namo Buddhaya. Namo Buddhaya. They come to us with broken steps, with weary hearts and hollow eyes. A simple thread tied around the wrist where hope quietly replies. Namo Dharmaya. Namo Dharmaya. Namo Dharmaya. We walk not to arrive, but to wait the light within. Through snow and pain, through fear and loss, where you end, let peace begin. Namo Sanghaya. Namo Sanghaya. Namo Sanghaya. Namo Sanghaya. Just breath and earth, and now the road receives our silent vow as to the all we bow. Sabhe sattha bhavan
सुखितत्वा सबे सत्ता भवन्तु सुखितत्वा. This body walks, this voice grows still. The prayer walks on alone.
Okay.